Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know what to call this. Should I call this cabbage pie? I don't know. Okay, so I'm glad I tried this recipe. So after making sandwich the other day, I had some vegetables left, some veggies, cabbage and all of that. I wanted to use the cabbage for something else, but I couldn't. So I was wondering what I was going to do to my cabbage and other veggies so that they don't end up spoiling or I don't end up throwing them away. Then I decided to try this recipe, guys. I am so happy, like super glad I tried the recipe. Oh my goodness, this is something else. Like I don't even know how to explain it. Okay, so I used all the veggies I had at home. So I had cabbage, so that's me slicing cabbage, or should I say cutting cabbage. Then after that you go straight to your carrots if you have carrots. So you have to grate the what's it called, carrots. So I used green pepper, red pepper and yellow bell pepper. Those ones are actually optional. If you don't have them, no problem. All you need to do is to just gather all the veggies you have at home. But if you don't have some, no problem. But guys, this recipe is amazing, like super amazing. I wish I had oven so that I would have baked it, and I am very sure it would have come out well. But while I see made do with what I had. So after the carrots, you're going to slice your onions. So yeah, you're dicing or slicing your onions, any of the above. So if you don't have onions too, you can actually get onions. So after cutting or slicing or dicing your onions, you're going to, before I continue, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe if you've not. And please, after subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. So after the onions, you're going to go to your lettuce. So yeah, lettuce was part of the things I used yesterday for my sandwich, so I had it at home, so I had to like add it too. So if you don't have lettuce, no problem, but if you have all these, guys, trust me, you will enjoy this recipe. Like, this is super amazing. As I was doing this, I was thinking, did I just do salad? And I was like, okay, no, let me just complete the recipe and see how it's going to taste like. I love trying new stuffs actually. So, and I'm happy I love trying new stuffs because, guys, I can't even count how many new stuffs I've tasted this year alone. Anyways, now I said these peppers are actually optional, but if you have them, fine, no problem. Or if you want to get them, or you can get them, no problem. So I added green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. I added all of them together. So these veggies were already going bad because no lights. So yeah, they were already going bad. So I just had to like use all of them so that I don't end up regretting getting them. That was why I had to like add everything together. So after your peppers, you're going to slice your cucumber, also your cucumber. So yeah, feel free to remove the middle part because of that water it brings. So feel free to remove that part. So you're just going to like cut the remaining part, but make sure to remove the middle part of the cucumber so that your recipe is not watery. So yeah, feel free to do that. So after slicing the cucumber, any other veg you have, you can add to it. If not, this is okay. Now all you need to do after all this is to mix everything together. So you're going to mix everything together. After mixing everything together, now we're going to prep our wet ingredients, if I should call it like that. So for this, you need your egg. I'll be using 2 eggs because of the cabbage. Cabbage is mush. So I'll be using 2 eggs. Then after eggs, you get your milk. So you're going to add milk to it also. So make sure to mix your egg very well, then add your milk to it, and make sure to mix your milk very well too. After that, I am going to add parsley. So you can add parsley or any other spice you want to add to it. So I have parsley, so that's why I'm adding parsley. If you don't have, you can skip that, no problem. After that, I added just small baking soda. So yeah, I added baking soda to it. Then I added sugar also to it. You can skip the sugar part though if you don't like sugar. So I added baking soda, sugar, then I added small salt also to it. Then I added spicy pepper. This is also optional. If you don't have pepper or you don't like pepper, you can skip that part. Then I added all purpose flour to it also. Then I mixed everything together. Like I said, I had all this at home and I didn't want them to go bad. That was why I had to like put them all together. Then I realized there was a recipe like this. So I just had to like use everything I have to like make the recipe. So any of this you don't have, you can actually skip. But if you want to get the particular should I say taste or the particular result I got, you have to use everything I use. But if not, you can just make do with what you have. So now make sure to mix the what's it called, flour very well with the egg and other ingredients. Then after that, you're going to mix everything together, both the wet and dry. So you're going to turn the egg, flour and everything into the cabbage. Then you're going to mix it. Make sure you mix all your dry and wet ingredients together, like let them soak very well. Make sure to mix them and mix them well. Do not skip any one or any part, so mix them well. After mixing them well, now you're going to get your pan. If you have an oven, well, fine, beautiful, that's great. If not, then you have to go my own way too, because I used gas. So but if you have oven, that will be better actually. So you're just going to spread this recipe on your pan. You're just going to spread this recipe there on your pan, and then make sure to spread it well, and should I say smoothen it. Make sure to like spread it like you're spreading cement. So after spreading the recipe on your pan, you just get your gas, or you get your oven or whatever you want to use, and then you just put the pan there. So make sure to, should I say, cook on low heat. Make sure your heat is low. If you're using gas, make sure it is very low so that it doesn't burn. So you make sure to leave this on low heat. So and make sure you're monitoring it so that it doesn't burn. So yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. At this point, I just wanted to like spread bama on it and eat it like salad, but I just had to like complete what I started. So like I said, you're going to flip over if you're using pan. Sorry, my flipping over was bad. It was bad. I almost scattered everything. So but make sure to flip over well so that you don't end up scattering it, and at the end of the day it will lose its beauty. So make sure to flip over well. Then now you have to cover it and allow the other side to get ready. So when everything is ready, guys, look at it now. This is, should I say, cabbage pie? Sorry, when I started cutting it, I didn't know my phone was no longer recording, so I didn't get the first cutting part. So I just had to like cut the remaining ones to show you guys. Guys, this is actually delicious. Like I was eating it and I forgot I was making video. I wasn't expecting it to come out this good, but it did, guys. It did. So yeah, if you've gotten to this part and you've not subscribed or you've not liked, guys, I don't know why. Please help us help you. Help us make more videos, more interesting contents by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you. And you can feel free to check out our channel for other interesting contents. We have so many interesting contents. We have hack, we have recipes, we have our beautiful brownie cats videos, we have ASMR, we have so many educational stuffs, we have so many tips, and we have so many hair growth remedy. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.